Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I think everybody is good. So today I'm going to unboxing the GoPro action camera 9 Hero 9 model. Um, this is a very famous action camera. Um, so I purchased it from Costco. Currently, this is on sale on Costco. The actual price is 389.99, but Costco it's only 339 plus tax. And the main thing is everywhere the camera is only 350 or something price, but Costco has the bundle. It has some other stuffs with it like casing, a tripod and extra battery, also a SD 64 GB SD card. So it's a very good price. So currently I'm going to unboxing it. And I think Costco has extra warranty on this. So let's see. So friend, let me open this box. From where I should start, I don't know. So again, this is GoPro Hero 9 action camera, and currently the Hero 10 is available, but I checked, mainly there's not too much update on the latest version on 10. So 9 and 10 is almost same, so I prefer to go with 9 because I think it will serve my purpose. I don't need to go for number 10, so the 10th version, because it's expensive, and 9 will serve all the purpose. So here's the camera. It comes with the carry case, the bundle. As I told you, Costco has this. So let me open it. Oh, nice. So friends, this is the camera. I think you can see it. Nice GoPro action camera 9. This is charging cable. I think this is Thunderbolt type C. Here's the battery and the extra battery, as they say, which is very important when you are on a trip and you want more batteries. That's, I agree. This is for something. Is there anything inside? Nothing inside. So nice. And this is the tripod, I believe. So I'm not sure. Oh, nice tripod. I don't know how it works. So you can use it as a monopod or tripod, either way. And here is 64 GB SD card, the MicroSD card. This is some stickers. Subscribe to GoPro, unlimited storage for your GoPro footage. That's good. No question asked. Camera replacement up to 50% of mounts, accessories lifetime, up to $100 off on next GoPro. That's good thing. Product question, as I say when I do opening the box, I always ask that you should read the instruction first. That's very important. So So friend, this is the camera. As you can see, it has two displays, one in the front and one in the back. It is water resistant up to 33 feet, I believe. You must check it. um, this is a battery, two batteries. It comes with the bundle, and one tripod, and also this one. This is very important. And let me take out this paper. So this is the camera. Nice big display. That's all. So friends, this is the quick start guide. So I am following that to do this. It's asking me to do this. Nice. Then I have to connect it. Nice. And I will be using this. So now it's hard. Good. It's too hard. Nice. So I just put this one. Now it will go here, but to do that I have to take it out and good. Nice. I was able to do it. Cool. Able to do it. Nice. So this is the settings. That's how the camera sits. And let's see what's the next step. So they're asking to download the app, and they're showing how to insert everything. So I'll be inserting the battery and put it on charge, and then when it's fully charged, I'll turn it on. So friends, now I'll be putting the battery. So to open it, you have to pull here a little bit. So then it will open the face, and here you're gonna put the battery. Also the MicroSD card slot is here, so I'm gonna put the MicroSD card as well. It comes with this one, so let me put that. How can I open it? It's not opening. So this is 64 GB MicroSD card. It comes with this bundle, so I'm gonna put that. Good. Also the charging port is here if you want to charge the battery. So friends, thanks for watching the video, the unboxing of GoPro 9. Hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe to my channel and like and share if you like this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.